Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, so here I'm standing currently here to present you about my portfolio or anything I've done in this semester or in this year is in 10th grade of IDN Vocational High School. I think boarding school, vocational high school in terms of programming class. Firstly, before we start the projects, let me introduce myself. My name is Andromeda Haraha. I'm from Medan, and I am now in IDN Boarding School, Vocational High School, in major of programming class, or in Indonesia we say it as Rekayasa Prasakunan. Here I'm not just learning about code or computation, but I do also learning about how to make a program and a software like a website and anything else. I now have skilled in web development, especially in web front-end and back-end development. Here I have skilled in HTML and CSS, which for front-end development or designing website, and for JavaScript I've done intermediate level. I've got an intermediate level and certificates for JavaScript intermediates, and also PHP for back-end development for my website. So I have four skilled programming language. Exactly not four skill, but because two of them is not included for programming language. And I also have learned about a lot of framework and library. One of them is React.js and Vue.js, and also Tailwind CSS and Bootstrap and Laravel, the framework of PHP. I've also learned that. And for the library, I have learned about development and also AOS or animated on scroll. If you don't want to know, you can visit my portfolio website. My link is below, muhammadandromeda.kitab.io. Over there, you can see there are a lot of skilled projects I've done, and also certificates and achievement, and all experience of that. So now let's just connect to the next presentation. It is about my IT projects. But here I'm not giving you all of them because I can't screenshot all of the websites I've made. So here I'll just explain you four, and after that I will tell you another one. So firstly, I've made IDN payroll service, which is for payroll websites with database and Laravel included. I made it with Laravel for the back end, with included for PHP also, and a few JavaScript codes. And for the front end, here I use Tailwind CSS for designing and styling. All of the website here you can see is made by and designed with Tailwind CSS. So here the first website is IDN Payroll Service, and this is the homepage of one of my website I've uploaded in in Google Firebase. You can see in my portfolio also. It is a website of e-library, so you can read an e-book over there. And it's also an e-library website, but this is the views of the admin panels. So you can have two options or two roles on this website. This user roles and admin roles. And this website is just front-end website like an e-commerce website, but just only the front-end or the views. So here all of it is just a dummy data. Why do I make this? Because this is my project when I first started learning about Tailwind CSS framework. So yeah, I just made it without any backend included. And also I made it for around 2 weeks. All of them around 2 weeks or 3 weeks, and a few of them done in 1 month. And also, the project I've done, except for this four, is another website for my competition like Nuster. You can see in my GitHub there is a website called Nuster over there, and also my portfolio website is for show you all you guys all and anything I've done, including from achievement, certificates, experience, and anything like skills and also projects. Next, I have also done about a new competition, new code. So I've made it with my team, including four of my friends up there. I've made the websites called NeoCode, or it is a website for learning a new programming language. So it's like an online course website. But I can show you here the website because it is not have enough space up there right here. So it's just say it later. You can see on my GitHub also. I've uploaded. And next is I've done a few websites also, like basketball website for my competition also, and a few of them I've made with my team, and some of them I've made by myself alone. So next, into the next project, English projects. On this semester I've done 4 English projects. Only on this semester, because the last semester I've done, or I've told you on my YouTube channels also. Firstly, I've made an IT tutorial how to make sliders with CSS and HTML. Why? Because I found so many websites out there. They want to make a wire slider, but they don't know how to do it. So I gave the tutorial here how to make a slider in HTML, CSS, the real tutorial, and with step by step how to do it, and you can watch it on my YouTube channel. And this is the title, how to make the slider CSS. Next videos I've made is reviewing my laptops. My old laptops is HP 1114 14DXX. So why do I choose this laptop? Because I want you guys to know that this laptop I've used since I was in the first class of junior high school. So we can say this laptop has been a long time. So next projects I've done, it is short movies. Short movie talking about future of brain at Mosque. I've made it with my team. You can saw it and watch it in my YouTube channels also. On that videos, we're talking about what's the future of praying at mosque, and why do we need to go to the mosque, why men should pray at mosque, and anything and any reward you can get by praying at the mosque. So all the future of praying at mosque has been included in one videos you can watch on my YouTube channel, or under the title "The Future of Praying at Mosque." And the next is bar chart presentation. Bar chart presentation is a present about a line chart that shows the data of China's consumption food, and like fish consumption, meat consumption, salt consumption, and etc. Next, Antinia projects. I've done 5. Actually, I've done more than this, but I just showed 5 for short. Firstly, it is for Ramadan poster, Marhaban ya Ramadan, and also war poster, Pandapur. It is told you about the story of Pandapur and the point of that war, and then I've made a mind map of Janazah, or we can say corpse. And the next is I've made a Sirah Nabawiyah videos, but I'm exactly not doesn't make it because this video was made by an AI, fully AI, not any script inside of it from me, from myself. The script made by AI, and videos made by AI, and the sounds made by AI. And the last is Taksin just 28. My videos on YouTube, I'll upload my short. You can watch it on my YouTube channels. And that's it from all of my wonderful presentation for today. I'm sorry if I have a mistake on my words, and that's what I say. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.